your face. You were born with it. And while you've both been through some changes, you're pretty much stuck with one another, right? Throw that tired old face away. Slap a new one on today. With Lycraflesh, fresh face, expendable face replacement. 4 out of 10 cosmeticists prefer Lycraflesh over the leading brand of disposable, latexualized facial reconfiguration masking procedurals.
Another fine polysilicate byproduct from the makers of Lycraflesh non-glandular memory enhancement globules and triple section complete transdermal skin replacement.
So, for a brand new you that's as ageless as you wish you could feel, get Lycraflesh and keep on looking your best. Perpetually.
Please consult a physician before using any Lycraflesh products. Do not utilize Lycraflesh products if you plan on having children or if you ever may come in contact with children. Other side effects may include cramping, confusion, spiritual injuries, hangman, gingivitis, bipolar disorders, assorted epidural anomalies, chronic self-righteousness, and bleeding from various orifices. If bleeding from ears persists, consult a priest.